Posting at 6 a.m. can help your video go viral. Welcome to 10K in 10 weeks, where I try to grow this new page to 10,000 followers in just 10 weeks. I already learned something big and it's so easy you can try it today. Post at 6 a.m. Early mornings is one of the best times to post because people check their phones right when they wake up. Plus, not a lot of people want to wake up to post that early, so you'll have less competition. I don't want to wake up that early either, so my trick to this is using an app that posts for me automatically. Just add my video, pick when I want it posted, and then it goes right on time. Catches the commuter window, which is a lot of students and workers that are on their phones when they're heading to school or work. So posting at 6 a.m. means less competition, more viewers, and more time to be seen. It's a total game changer for getting more views.